Daily routines vocabulary. Wake up. Wake up. Get up. Get up. Make the bed. Make the bed. Brush teeth. Brush teeth. Wash face. Wash face. Take a shower. Take a shower. Get dressed. Get dressed. Comb hair. Comb hair. Have breakfast. Have breakfast. Drink water. Drink water. Pack a bag. Pack a bag. Go to school. Go to school. Go to work. Go to work. Study. Study. Attend class. Attend class. Listen to the teacher. Listen to the teacher. Take notes. Take notes. Have lunch. Have lunch. Work. Work. Use a computer. Use a computer. Have a break. Have a break. Go home. Go home. Change clothes. Change clothes. Take a nap. Take a nap. Play with friends. Play with friends. Watch TV. Watch TV. Play games. Play games. Do chores. Do chores. Help parents. Help parents. Have dinner. Have dinner. Do homework. Do homework. Study at night. Study at night. Prepare for tomorrow. Prepare for tomorrow. Wash hands. Wash hands. Pray. Pray. Go to bed. Go to bed. Sleep. Sleep. That's all for today. Like, subscribe, and support this channel. Watch our other English lessons. See you in the next video.